Have you ever wondered why NASA, an organization that explores outer space, is diving deep into the ocean? It's a question that has piqued the curiosity of many. NASA, known worldwide for its space exploration, is indeed delving into the mysteries of the deep sea. A surprising fact, isn't it? Just off the sunny coast of Florida, beneath the ocean surface at a depth of 20 meters, lies an extraordinary place. It's called the Aquarius Reef Base, the world's only underwater lab. Each year, a handful of researchers and astronauts embark on a journey to this underwater realm. Yes, you heard it right. Astronauts are venturing beneath the ocean's surface. They are part of an exceptional project known as Project NEMO, an acronym for NASA's Extreme Environment Mission Operations. These brave explorers, known as aquanauts, are diving into the depths to uncover secrets hidden beneath the waves. But the intrigue doesn't stop there. NASA has unleashed an autonomous underwater vehicle named Orpheus into the ocean's depths. This autonomous vehicle is diving 10 kilometers deep into the ocean on a mission of discovery. But here's the real question. Why is NASA, a space agency, conducting research in the deep sea? After all, the United States has NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, an organization specifically dedicated to ocean research. Why the sudden interest in the ocean's depths? And why the urgency to complete this mission within a 2-month deadline? All these questions raise a sense of mystery around NASA's deep sea research. What is it that NASA scientists are searching for? Are there any reasons for us to be concerned? The answers to these questions are not as straightforward as one might think. To understand the motives behind NASA's deep sea exploration, we must dive deeper, just as the aquanauts and Orpheus are doing right now. Let's dive deeper into why a space agency like NASA is working in the depths of the ocean. NASA's deep sea research is not as well known as its space missions, but it's just as significant. NASA's journey into the deep sea, much like its journey into space, is a quest for knowledge and understanding. It's a journey into the unknown, a journey that is filled with both excitement and apprehension. The deep sea, like space, is a hostile, alien environment that humans are not naturally equipped to survive in. In both environments, there is a need for specialized equipment and training. This is where Project NEMO comes in. NEMO, or NASA's Extreme Environment Mission Operations, is a program that uses the underwater lab Aquarius Reef Base to simulate the harsh conditions of space. The Aquarius Reef Base is located off the coast of Florida and is submerged about 20 meters under the sea. Each year, NASA sends a group of 5 to 6 astronauts and researchers, known as aquanauts, to live and work in this underwater lab for several weeks. But what does living underwater have to do with space missions? Well, the conditions underwater closely resemble those in space. The aquanauts experience similar challenges to those they would face in space: isolation, limited resources, communication delays, and the need to wear specialized suits for extravehicular activities. By living and working in the Aquarius Reef Base, the aquanauts are able to train for space missions in a controlled and safe environment. But Project NEMO is not the only aspect of NASA's deep sea research. There's also Orpheus. Orpheus, which stands for Ocean-Going Remotely Piloted Helium-Filled Unmanned System, is an autonomous underwater vehicle that is capable of diving 10 kilometers deep into the ocean. This is deeper than Mount Everest is tall. Orpheus is designed to explore the ocean's Hadal Zone, the deepest part of the ocean that is largely unexplored. The Hadal Zone is home to a wealth of unique and mysterious life forms that could provide insights into how life might survive in other extreme environments, like those found on other planets. Orpheus's missions are not just about discovering new life forms, though. They're also about understanding our own planet. The deep sea plays a vital role in regulating the Earth's climate, and by studying it, we can gain a better understanding of how our planet functions and how we can protect it. So, while it may seem strange that a space agency is exploring the ocean, there are many reasons why this research is essential. From training astronauts for space missions to discovering new life forms to understanding our planet better, NASA's deep-sea research is a journey of discovery that holds the potential to transform our understanding of the universe and our place in it. NASA's deep-sea research is not just about the sea, it's about space, it's about our planet, and it's about us. Before we continue our exploration of NASA's deep-sea research, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you more intriguing and informative content. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you're finding it insightful. And we'd love to hear your thoughts and questions on this topic. So don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Your engagement helps us create better content and fosters a community of knowledge seekers just like you. Now let's continue our deep dive into NASA's deep-sea research. So why is NASA's deep-sea research important? What can we learn from exploring the depths of the ocean, you might ask? Firstly, understanding our own planet is paramount. Our vast oceans remain largely unexplored and are often referred to as Earth's final frontier. By venturing deep into the ocean, we can learn more about life on Earth, the planet's history, and its future. The deep ocean, with its extreme conditions of pressure, temperature, and darkness, is not dissimilar to the harsh environments of other planets and moons. By studying life that thrives in such conditions, we gain insights into the types of organisms that could survive in similar environments elsewhere in the universe. This could shape the search for extraterrestrial life and inform our understanding of where and how to look. Furthermore, the deep sea is a treasure trove of undiscovered species and potential resources. Estimates suggest that up to 2 million species remain undiscovered in the ocean depths. Imagine the possibilities. New creatures could hold the key to medical breakthroughs or inspire technological advancements. Moreover, the deep-sea floor is rich in minerals and metals, some of which are becoming increasingly scarce on land. Lastly, the deep ocean plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. It absorbs vast amounts of heat and carbon dioxide, but we still know very little about how this process works. As the effects of climate change intensify, it's imperative to understand these mechanisms to predict future changes and devise strategies to mitigate them. In summary, NASA's deep-sea research isn't just about exploring the unknown. It's about understanding our home planet, its creatures, its resources, and its future. It's about learning lessons that could guide our search for life beyond Earth. It's about staying one step ahead in the face of climate change. NASA's deep-sea research provides valuable information about our own planet and may even help us understand other worlds. So, the next time you gaze at the starry night sky, remember there's just as much to discover in the depths of our own oceans. Let's summarize what we've learned about NASA's deep-sea research. It's an exciting journey that takes us from the coast of Florida to the most profound depths of the ocean, all in the pursuit of knowledge and exploration. Remember Project Nemo? This is NASA's Extreme Environment Mission Operations, where they send astronauts and researchers to live and work in the Aquarius Reef Base, the world's only underwater lab. Here, they become aquanauts, experiencing the same isolation, confinement, and challenging conditions that astronauts face in space. This unique project allows NASA to simulate space missions, test new technologies and procedures, and train astronauts for future space exploration. Next, we have the autonomous underwater vehicle, Orpheus. This little robot is designed to dive 10 kilometers deep into the ocean. But why so deep, you ask? Well, the deep sea is a mysterious, extreme environment that's akin to other worlds in our solar system. By studying these depths, NASA hopes to gain insights into how life may exist on other planets. But it's not just about outer space. By delving into the deep sea, NASA is also helping us understand our own planet better. The deep ocean is a largely unexplored frontier, and it holds answers to many questions about Earth's climate, geology, and biology. By exploring these unknown regions, we can learn more about the processes that shape our planet and influence our climate. Finally, we must remember the urgency of this research. With a 2-month deadline set, NASA's deep-sea research is not just an academic exercise, it's a race against time. The more we learn about our oceans, the better equipped we'll be to protect them and ensure their health for future generations. As we've seen, NASA's deep-sea research is a fascinating and important aspect of their work, helping us understand both our own planet and potentially others. In conclusion, NASA's deep-sea research is an exciting and important field of study. Unraveling the mysteries of the deep sea is not merely an academic exercise. It's a vital part of understanding our own planet and potentially other worlds too. The depths of our oceans share striking similarities with the conditions we expect to find on other planets and moons. By studying our own deep-sea environment, we equip ourselves with the knowledge and tools necessary to explore these distant worlds. The Aquarius Reef Base, Project Nemo, and Orpheus are all crucial pieces of a much larger puzzle. Each underwater mission, each new discovery brings us one step closer to answering some of the universe's most profound questions. For those of you who are intrigued by the mysteries of the deep, we encourage you to delve deeper into this fascinating field of research. As we continue to explore both our own planet and the universe beyond, who knows what exciting discoveries await us?